Hello, my name's Cache Merrill. I'm the founder of Zibtek. I'm sitting here in our Draper, Utah office, and it is Hawaiian Shirt Wednesday. So just happened to be the day when I recorded this. So you got my favorite Hawaiian shirt. Anyway, I'm super excited to talk to you today. We've been doing these intro videos on each of our landing pages about our different service offerings. This is really valuable way for people just to explore a little bit who we are, to see a face, to get a look at the office. We have an office here in Draper. We have another office in Bangalore, India. Everybody in India is full-time employees. We try to offer you the most value possible for the dollar amount. We're all about really high impact, high value, and highly skilled engineers. So we've done a lot of work over the past 10 to 15 years to try to bring you the most skilled professionals for the best cost possible. So on this page, we've done a little bit of we went back to like all of the projects that we've done over the last 10 to 15 years. And we wanted to highlight some of the FAQs we have around just Python to Django and what we've learned and some of our experience. So we wrote some FAQs. Go ahead and take a look at all of those. If you continue to have questions or if you want to explore a little bit further, we'd love to get to know you a little bit better, learn what you're building with Python. Obviously, Python is a really powerful language. It's used a lot now with all of the data science and also just basic web apps. And there's a lot of ways people are leveraging Python. So we'd love to get to know you a little bit better, tell you about some of the things we've learned and what's going on. And then maybe there's a way we can contribute on your next project if you have like a developer who's moving on or transitioning, or maybe you're trying to start a new project. Either way, we'd love to be able to chip in and help out and just get to know you guys a little bit better. So fill out the form and we'll respond to you really quickly, or you can just call us and we can jump right on the phone and get to know you a little bit better. Thanks.